Hi everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. In today's video, I'm showing you how to create this type of rolling title animation inside After Effects without using any third-party plugin. Create a new composition and name it to text edit. Now write some text and I'm select the Poppins bold font. Now align the text in the center and anchor point also set in the center. Now change the color to white. Now select the text and little bit scale up. Separate the letters one by one. So first select S, duplicate and change it to H and rearrange all the letters. Align in the center. Now select all letter and open position. Take a keyframe at the starting and after 1 second take another keyframe and at the center change the position to just follow the steps. Select all keyframe and easy ease them. Go into graph editor and set the graph something like that. So here you can see. Now apply loop out expression to each letter. Now select the layers and adjust the layer one by one. Now select all layers and pre-compose them. Go to the effect and preset and apply echo effect on it. Echo time set to -0.007, number of echoes 30 and decay set it to 0.90. Now select the layer and rename it to white color. Duplicate the layer and rename it to red. Now go to the effect and preset, apply tint effect. So we can able to change the color. Now select the second color to red. Go to the first layer and delete the echo effect. Now duplicate one more time and rename it to yellow color and change the color to yellow. Duplicate one more time and rename it to orange. Now set the color to orange. Duplicate one more time and change the color to blue. Now it's up to you. You can create multiple copies and select the color according to your choice. Now select the layers and adjust the layer one by one. Now create an adjustment layer and rename it to glow. Now go to the effect and preset and apply glow effect on adjustment layer. And change the radius to something 20, 30 is good for me, and glow threshold to 100% and intensity to 20 is good for me. There you can see our bouncy text animation is ready. Hope you like the video. Hit the like button and subscribe. Thanks for watching.